Hey everyone, I'm Austin with JDS, and today we'll be sublimating a Unisub plaque. We offer a variety of shapes in a cherry and black finish. You'll need your plaque, your transfer, and repositionable spray. Here's our home plate shape. Let's line it up on our transfer. The templates on our website include a bleed line half an inch larger than the plaque so you can properly center the artwork. Layer the press from the bottom up with a Teflon sheet, your plaque, your transfer, and a second Teflon sheet. Sublimate at 385 degrees for 1 minute and 45 seconds with medium pressure. Slowly release the press and pull the transfer to reveal your vibrant finish. The back of the plaque will be cool enough to handle. With Unisub Plaques, you're sure to hit it out of the park. If you have any questions, give us a call at the number below, and be sure to check out all our Unisub Plaques online. Thanks for watching.